Welcome to the Apart product video of the PREZONE series. With the PREZONE series, Apart is setting the standard for the look and feel of next-generation preamplifiers. The range consists of two models. PREZONE1 with 2 mic line inputs, 4 stereo music inputs and 2 stereo volume zones in a 2U 19-inch rack mount. PREZONE2 with 2 mic line inputs, 4 stereo music inputs and 2 stereo source and volume zones in a 2U 19-inch rack mount. Apart is proud to introduce the PREZONE2, a market-leading modern stereo preamplifier with 2 stereo source and volume zones, paging, external wall panels and Ethernet web server. The unit not only looks phenomenal but also offers never-before-seen ease of use. It can be operated by anyone. The On Standby button has the Apart logo incorporated and pulses when in standby mode. 4 input select buttons for each zone clearly indicate which source is selected by blue LEDs. There's even a dedicated space for labeling the sources and zones. Pre-printed and blank labels to create your own labeling are included with every PREZONE2 unit. 2 big rotary illuminated volume controls will make sure that anyone knows how to increase or decrease the volume in Zone 1 or 2. The current level of each zone is indicated by LED rings. MyK select buttons and level controls for each zone are recessed in the chassis to ensure these are only used when necessary. Again, the current level is indicated by LED rings. Similar controls for mic B select and level are also available for each zone, with LED rings again indicating the current level. Several LEDs give you feedback on the system status. Vox override on mic A activated. Paging active. Emergency input activated. Both Zone 1 and 2 have signal clip LED indications that turn red when clipping occurs. PREZONE2 can be simultaneously controlled from simple and intuitive wall panel controls. Any device with a web browser, including a smartphone, tablet or PC, via the built-in Apart web server. Third-party control systems via the Ethernet or RS-232 Open Control Protocol. PREZONE2 is so end-user friendly that it can be operated by anyone, even your grandma. The cutting-edge design not only shows in the ease of use, but also in the ease of installation. The rear panel has been designed to offer installers an intuitive connectivity with a left-to-right 4-level priority system. The consistent user interface and rear panel design make the PREZONE series a pleasure to use and install no matter what the application. Emergency input has the absolute highest priority and bypasses any front panel volume controls. The paging mic input has priority 2 and allows announcements with or without chime to be made to either or both zones. Mic A input has priority 3, thus overriding mic input B and all music sources. 48-volt phantom power also offers you the possibility to use condenser microphones. Mic input B has priority 4. Here you again have a 48-volt phantom power possibility, and like mic A, you also have a gain control, clip LED indication and dual tone control. 4 stereo line-level music inputs have equal priority 4. All have unbalanced RCA input connectors, gain control and clip LED, with input 1 also having balanced Euroblock connectivity. Dual tone controls independently adjust the EQ of Zone 1 and 2. The Zone 1 and 2 outputs have balanced Euroblock and unbalanced RCA connectors. Both outputs can independently be set to mono or stereo. One simple and intuitive wall panel control can be connected per zone. An Ethernet connection allows control via the built-in web server or control from an external control system. External control is also possible via RS-232. 2 24-volt priority outputs allow the override of any inline volume controls when paging or emergency mode are active. Auto standby mode can be enabled. The device will then automatically enter low power mode when not in use. Visit our website www.apart-audio.com and see our social media feed on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and YouTube. Or try our app, the Product Selector, via web, smartphone or tablet to find the right product for your application.